The GEDC Airbus Diversity Award recognises inspiring people around the world who are bringing more diverse students to engineering. Aviation industry leader Airbus joined forces with the global community of engineering deans to create this award. Leaders in engineering education know that companies like Airbus want a diverse workforce and an inclusive culture where everyone's ideas are valued. That's because diversity and innovation go hand in hand. The world needs more engineers to solve our greatest challenges and to innovate to make the most of every opportunity now and in the future. The GEDC Airbus Diversity Award demonstrates our shared commitment to encourage young people from any and every background to become engineers. Our finalists, selected from a global pool of nominees, have already made a difference. This award celebrates their achievements and demonstrates that building a more diverse global engineering community is possible.